Hello friends, atta is a staple in every Indian kitchen. But did you know there are many different types of atta? From whole wheat atta for soft rotis to multigrain atta packed with nutrients. And even gluten-free options like jowar and bajra atta each has its own benefits. Let's explore them in just few minutes. Whole wheat atta is most commonly used flour in India and true staple in everyday cooking. It is made by grinding whole wheat grains without removing the bran or germ, which means all the natural nutrients are retained. This makes it a healthier choice compared to refined flours. Rich in dietary fibers, whole wheat atta helps support better digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. It is perfect for making soft, wholesome rotis that are enjoyed daily in most of Indian households. Maida is a refined flour known for its fine, smooth texture and versatility in cooking. It is commonly used for prepare a variety of foods like soft naan, fluffy baked goods, and crispy snacks. Because of its refined nature, maida gives dishes a light and appealing texture that many people enjoy. However, during the refined process, most of the natural fiber and nutrients are removed. This makes this makes it less nutritious compared to whole wheat atta, while it is great for occasional treats. Multigrain atta is made by blending a variety of grains such as wheat, oats, barley, and millets. This combination brings together the goodness of multiple ingredients, making it richer in nutrients compared to the regular flour. It is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help support overall health and better digestion. Multigrain atta is a great choice for those looking to add more nutrition to their daily life and daily meals without compromising on taste. Perfect for soft rotis and everyday cooking. It is a smart and healthier option for the whole family. Besan. Besan, also known as gram flour, is made from finely ground chickpeas and is a popular ingredient in Indian kitchen. It is naturally rich in protein, making it a great choice for those looking to add more plant-based nutrition to their diet. Besan is widely used to prepare delicious snacks like crispy pakoras and savory chillas, as well as variety of traditional dishes. With its unique flavor and health benefits, besan is both nutritious and versatile for everyday cooking. Millet atta, made from grains like bajra and jowar, is a highly nutritious and naturally gluten-free flour. It has been a part of traditional Indian diets for generations, especially in rural regions, rich in fiber, minerals, and essential nutrients. Millet atta supports better digestion and overall health. It is a great alternative for those looking to reduce gluten in their diet while still enjoying wholesome meals. From rotis to other traditional dishes, millet atta offers both health and benefits and touch of heritage in every bite. Now you know the different type of attas and their benefits. Which one do you use the most in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and interesting food facts.